I gotta do this super quick because I'm actually about to have my first client come in. She's doing consultation. However, you already know your girl grabbed the entire Fenty line because so we are going to be doing an unboxing, which is already kind of here, a review, and then I'm going to be using this on a client today, and we're going to test out the entire line. So stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, we have the Home Curl. This is their curl defining cream. I'm going to be trying this out on Olivia in a separate video. ASMR. I figured I'd give you guys just a tiny bit of ASMR in there. We also have the jelly type, and I'm loving this packaging. It's so cute, so chic, so adorable. You can tell that she really took her time and invested. Then we have the richer one here. This is their moisturizing repair deep conditioner. Next up, we have the controlling type edge control. And as you guys can clearly tell, I was having way too much fun recording this video. Sidebar, I'm going to be doing a series of different parts because this client today only got a wash and blow dry deep condition. So all we used was the shampoo, the conditioner, and the heat protectant. However, I did use the edge brush and the edge control on a different client. And then today I'm going to be going in doing a separate curl product video on both of my daughters to show you guys the texture. So this is the controlling type, again, how it looks. This is their edge brush. It does retail for about, I think, $18. And I did pay for it because one is cute AF and I just wanted to have it. So there you have it. It's not a full product line unless you grab everything. And here we have the comeback kit, which is their instant damage control treatment, and then we also have the rich one, which is their moisturizing repair shampoo, as well as their conditioner as well. I wanted to show you guys how it looks in the packaging. When I say solid, like these products were so solid, and the packaging I was just so here for. And of course, this is their heat protectant called the protective type. It's a 5-in-1 heat protectant, and then this is just the overall packaging of everything I got. So without further ado, let's go ahead and test it out. Another quick sidebar, I gotta do this real quick because like I said, my client about to be here, but I already know exactly how I'm about to use this on. So Kenyatta, when you come in here, be prepared, sis, because it's about to go down, you hear me? When I tell y'all I was babysitting this box like it was one of my kids, I was just so hyped. So I'm going to have my beautiful, gorgeous client, Kenyatta, come in. She is all natural. She actually just removed the protective style, I believe the morning of or the night before. However, she had it in for a while. There are some crinkles in there. There is a little bit of, you know, dead hair that naturally sheds. That's normal. As well as a little bit of like that hair, like fuzz, like the fuzz balls. Y'all know what I'm talking about, like once you have your braids in for a while. So all I'm doing right now is going in, detangling her hair thoroughly. I do take my time. I just sped this up slightly, the slightest bit, just so you guys aren't bored. I'm going to go ahead and detangle her hair fully. After I'm done that, I am going to go in and finger detangle and just remove any of those dust bunnies. You guys can literally see me doing that here. And then once I'm done, I'm going to fully saturate her hair with water, and then we are going to proceed to do the shampoo. Sidebar, I posted this video snippet on Instagram, and Fenty Hair actually DM'd me personally. They commented on my post. I was so excited, so I'll add that in here somewhere. But just know it's about to go up. Because, man, when I tell y'all hype, I've been working so hard, and I'm from Delaware. I'm sure you guys know this story. I'm from a small state. Not a lot of people make it up out of here. I feel like people feel like you have to be from a big city. And with me, that's not the case. I always knew I was talented, and I always knew that I was capable of putting myself out there, and I'm just really excited that my hard work is always and finally paying off. Over the last few years, it has created so much freedom for me, so that's just a little sidebar. However, back to this video, I am going in with the Fenty shampoo. I am going to use a generous amount because Yada, like I said, her hair, she just took out braids. And again, I don't skimp when it comes to hair products. I'm not somebody that's going to try to do a little squirt. I'm going to use as much as I feel, as much as my heart tells me to, because I want to give my clients the best experience. Each of my shampoos is a minimum of 25 minutes, and I take my time. So 20 to 25 minutes. I include 3 shampoos with each and every client. It comes with every service, and then a deep condition, whether it's under the dryer with the steamer. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I did a deep condition under the dryer because all of my clients literally booked the steam treatment. It's just so soothing and so relaxing. So we wanted to test out the products. We smelled them. They smelled great. Her scalp felt fine. I was constantly checking in with her just to make sure everything was okay. And we both agreed that this smell reminded us of our childhood. I couldn't put my finger exactly on what it was, but it just reminded me of like an old school smell that like brings back nostalgia. That's the best way I can describe it. You're gonna see me go in with the first shampoo twice, and then I am gonna go in and do a deep condition on her. I actually used the same shampoo 3 times, but I just wanted to go in and thoroughly use the product line, do a deep condition. And again, we're just doing a blow dry only, nothing too crazy, but I did want to show you guys like the shampooing process. And this is sped up, okay? Promise you I'm not killing my client. Y'all has been coming to me for I believe 4+ years now. She is vocal. She's a grown woman. She she would let me know she's uncomfortable. So just had to throw that out there because it's always somebody wanting to run their little mouth and I don't give a damn. So anyway, I'm just going in, I'm shampooing her, making sure to really get that steam in there, give her a nice scalp scratch. The first shampoo is mainly just to lift up all the dirt, all the residue, all the buildup, all the sweat. She does work out as well. So we're just trying to get that first clean, but already first impressions are everything. And as soon as I put this shampoo in, that lather was freaking amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a couple different snippets of me doing her 3-process shampoo. And then once I'm done, I am gonna go in with the Fenty conditioner as well. I will be sure to link everything that I use. I'm sure you guys saw it in the beginning, but I'm literally just showing everything on the screen. But first impressions were everything. I love the shampoo, I love the conditioner, I love the heat protectant. I've tried the edge control and the edge brush so far, and like I mentioned earlier, I am going to be doing a video at home today on both of my daughters to just show the curls, how they come out. And then I'll probably do a video on myself with my short curly fro, because you guys know I cut my hair back in November. However, I do have some content I have to get out, so unfortunately I have to braid my hair up. But just know that more Fenty videos will be coming in the future, because I really do like this product line. And I love the fact that, one, not only do they engage with their audience, but Rihanna, whenever she launches something, she goes all out. She invites influencers, she invites regular people. I mean, I'm telling you, if I lived in California, or if I could drop everything and just go out there and I wasn't working that week, I would have been at that launch. So just know that I love the sense of community that she brings. I love that she rocks her own product. She's answering questions, she's interactive. She's not one of those, like, she doesn't feel like she's a mean girl, if that makes sense. She feels like she's very relatable. And y'all know I'm a Fenty girl. I'm very biased. One of my first videos that went viral on my channel was Fenty Beauty. I've been using that ever since. I shop at Savage Fenty. I just love Rihanna's product line. I just like what she stands for, and she is on her grind, and that's why she's a billionaire. So clearly she knows what she's doing. So just enjoy as I'm shampooing. I'm going to mention what I'm using. Let me run across the room and grab it. Y'all saw it on the screen, but I'm going off of memory right now. So let's see. So that first shampoo that I went in with was the Rich one. It's the Moisture Repair Shampoo. It says it's to hydrate, replenish, and strong strands start here. So that is good to know. And the smell is amazing. Again, you can hear the product in my house. It's very sturdy. Very sturdy. Look. Clicking 2 bottles together. And then the conditioner that I used was just the Rich one, which is their Moisture Repair Conditioner. Again, 3 shampoos with that first shampoo. The only shampoo, 1 with the Rich one conditioner. And then just to blow her out, I am going to use the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler as well, just to get her blowed out. But you guys will see her end results. We did this blow dry only, but her hair had so much shine. It was so clean. You couldn't tell that she had any like protective style, no residue was left behind. So it cleans, but it also doesn't make the hair feel stripped and dry. There's nothing I hate more than when you shampoo your hair and it feels very brittle like straw. This did not do that. However, it did smell great. It gave a great shampoo, a great lather just on the first application. Now clearly I did go in with a little bit more product, but Yada has a ton of hair, so I just did what I felt was needed. But I've tried this on several clients since then, and the lather on that first shampoo, chef's kiss. Like, whoever thought of this, because a lot of times when the hair is dirty, it does take several shampoos for it to lather. That's not the case with the Rich one. So I would definitely grab this and grab the Rich one conditioner to go with it. Have it in your arsenal. Go see if you can smell it. It smells amazing, and I'm not big on smells. I have sensitive skin as well, so I felt like she really came through for the girlies like me that struggle with trying to find products that are good for people with like sensitive skin, scalps, so on and so forth. And she just checked all of my boxes, so I was very pleased just off this first client that I tried this on. You guys are just now seeing this. However, I've done probably 2 or 3 Fenty videos since then, so you guys are going to get some back-to-back uploads. However, I am in love, and I am, again, a licensed cosmetologist. I've been licensed since 2012, so for the past 12 years I have been doing this full-time pretty much, and I'm speaking from like experience of using hundreds of products over the years. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy as I finish shampooing and deep conditioning Yada. I am going to rinse her deep conditioner off camera. However, I will come back on when I'm ready to blow dry her with the heat protectant, and I'll give you guys my thoughts about that as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, hit that like button, hit that doorbell notification so that way you can be notified when I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at _Cassandra_Olivia. So now that we're done her shampoo, her hair is thoroughly cleaned, moisturized. I'm just going in with the protective type. And again, this is a heat protectant. It serves multiple purposes, which I mentioned before. So I'm just doing about a dime size in her hair. I'm gonna rub that together and then just distribute that all throughout her hair. Once I'm done, I am gonna go in with my Old Faithful, my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush, as well as my Rust Speed Freak blow dryer. We're gonna go ahead and just blow dry her straight. Go ahead and round brush her slightly just because I know she was getting a protective style after this, but I did want to blow it straight enough so you guys can see the shine, so on and so forth. So again, just enjoy as I blow her out, and then I'm gonna do a quick trim on her hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys her end result. You guys already know this because I say it on my videos. However, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are blow drying natural hair, you just want to make sure that you keep a spray bottle or a mister handy. I do use the one from Frame Art, my favorite. It just mist the hair perfectly. It coats it to where it's not drenched, but it's hydrated enough so that way I can blow dry. So now I'm just going in. I'm going to do the same thing for each section. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to go in with my Cricut round brush. Again, everything is linked in my Amazon store below in the description. And if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out to me via DM or email. And I'm more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. So now that Yada is all round brushed, I'm just going in with a wide tooth comb. And I do this for every client, even though she's been coming for years. I'm just showing her all of the hair that needs to be trimmed off. Of course, she trusts me, but I do like to give them a visual just to show them. And I got this smock off of Amazon as well. I know you guys know the theme of this video is probably Amazon, but it's so many things that you can just get off of there that are easy, and it's just very convenient. So I'm going in, I'm just cleaning up her hair. I'm starting my initial guideline, then I am going to go in at a 90-degree angle and just pull everything out. Once I'm done that, I'm going to go back in, just do any little fixes that I need to do, and then she will be done for this service. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick around, you're going to be able to see the shine and everything. I'm going to zoom in when she's done. I'm going to have her stand up. She ran her fingers through. We both rated this line a 10 out of 10. Yada is a very loyal, blunt, honest person. So if she was not feeling something, she's going to let me know, which is why I decided to use her for this video, because my clients are going to keep it real, and y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with you guys all the time. So thank you guys so much for watching. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.